How's it going, everybody? Hey, we're gonna do some bank fishing with some bluegill, freshly caught. Just a tad bit chilly out here. Possible storm coming through too. Don't know how long this is gonna last.
Sweet. Put his bad boy on there. So I was just gonna cut this one in half.
Put a whole one on live. Ooh, it scared me a little bit. Come on, slippery. Gonna go with a whole gill. Ouch. You poked me. Yeah, don't blame you, buddy, but it hurts. Try to throw this cast net while we're out here as well. See if we get lucky with some extra bait. Don't really need it, but
Way out there.
still got catfish spines in the cast net. This might not work. Got ice on the cast net.
Oh.
Yeah, this ain't looking promising. Wing it out there. Maybe the ice will melt. It probably ain't gonna open, but we'll try it. Opened up pretty good. It's extremely low tide right now. Oh, look at that. Didn't even need to go to the pond.
Is that bluegill?
Yeah.
Dad just got some bluegill down there at the cast net. How many's in there?
Like 5 or 6. They gotta go back. You're not allowed to keep bluegill. Considered a game fish. Can't keep them in the cast net, that is. No, chill out. Simmer down, simmer down. I would love to throw this net and get me a handful of some gizzard shad. All the bluegill we are using, by the way, today came off a rod and reel. They were not caught in a cast net. I went down, hit the local pond before we come down here.
You have your clicker on or no?
Nope, just let them fold it over.
I'm gonna go grab that lure rod real quick. See if we can't catch anything on the lure. Got a little jig head with a little paddle tail.
Man, we have most definitely found the bluegill honey hole. Any other time, can't catch a damn bluegill. Oh, damn, man. Phew. There must be probably 20 of them in there. Go free, little buddies. Go free. Today is your lucky day. You got to see the outside world. You get to live to tell it. from the bridge. See if we get any luck. Are you getting a bite? Oh. I think I threw the cast net on your line.
Did.
I didn't know you were over this way. I'm pretty sure that's what just happened. 'Cause it was about the same time I threw it.
Yeah, you're pulling me.
Oh yeah. I don't think we're getting her back. We might have just lost this one. Yeah. Well, that ain't no good. The joys of fishing. We're throwing a cast net. We're popping braille lines.
Just come through too.
It is breaking. All of it's broke. It's definitely gone.
Oh, he has a tree there. I just felt drop down the branch. Yep.
I'd like to get the. But that's always lovely.
That cast net didn't last long out here.
No, it didn't. I would like to get the remainder of it. God, I can't get it off. Them 80-pound lines ain't no joke. Let's see it, wrap it around my arm maybe. Nope. Huh. That sucks. I really, really hate to leave that thing there. That's a shame. I ain't worried about losing the cast net. I'm more mad about leaving it there for somebody else to snag. Well, that goes to show you, you can't get too attached to your cast net. Lucky me.